Namaste everyone, welcome back. So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to actually play the scale on the bansuri. Okay. So in my previous video, you already seen I show you how to actually make the sound on the bansuri and how to play the sa notes. Okay. So now the second step, in this second video, I'm going to show you actual second step. So it's here. This is how you're making the sa, right? So now what you need to do, then don't rush, take it your time. So this finger you open half. See that? Some people start with some rag like Yaman, which is that's what I do with my student as well. Which is actually fingers are completely open in rag Yaman, okay? And it goes ni re gama. I will explain to you later in other videos. So yes, so we're gonna just open the ma half, which is like this. You can see. So you're not opening all the way; it's opening half. And when you open the half, it sounds like this on the C flute. Not not there. Right? Yeah. And then what you do, just repeat that. Just keep repeating that. Because sometimes when we try to do everything, we lose everything. So it's good to be just enjoy where you are and just stay and contain in one area until you feel comfortable. Then you can go to other area. Okay? So and if you have done this enough and you feel comfortable and you feel confident, then we can move to the this note, which is very hard for most of the bansuri students. Even it was hard for me, and a lot of the flute player and gurus will agree with me. Playing pa notes, it's very hard. Because it's the first time, and the pa actually is a really hard note on bansuri to get for the beginners. Of course, in some cases, some people can play it just straight away, but this is the common difficulties in bansuri in the beginning for the beginners. But if you remember, in first video I show you to keep your pinky finger and thumbs here. I'm playing a little bit fast, but you need to actually go in this speed. You can always stop and take another breath. Then another breath. Then. See that? Okay. So once you start doing this, once you get the pa notes, then rest comes really easy. Okay. So I'm going to show you how you can play the Sare Gama Padanisa, which is in Western music you call Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Si Do. Okay. Right. So this is normal sa, then higher sa. Okay. Then back. Another thing, did you notice that I'm using my tongue? I'm not using the breath. Okay. A lot of people teach actually just with the breath, which is actually it's okay to play, but when you play with the tongue, you are actually giving fair go to the notes. Okay, so you are hitting the notes and making it where it need to go, like this. What happen if you just play with the breath without tongue? You can still play that way, but notes will be not as clear as when you do with the tongue. Okay, I have done this experiment, and a lot of people done this experiment, so please do it with the tongue. Okay, later on you can play just with the breath, it's okay. Like playing fast stuff you can't do with the tongue. Okay, so you can use it just with the breath, like this. I'm just gonna use this way because that's how I'm used. So that speed of course is hard to do the tongue. It's very hard and doesn't really suits for the bansuri. So slower speed. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I will be making more tutorials for you. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you want to learn with me, please send me the email or message me on WhatsApp, or also you can contact me through social media as well. I will put all the information below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening, a wonderful day, depend where you are in the world. Thank you.